My name is Y. Pradeep Reddy from 9th grade from Akash Educational Institutions. Today I am standing in front of you telling about Indian Space Program. Indian Space Program was done by the ISRO. It started in 1962 by the Indian National Committee of Space Research. It launched the first spacecraft of Aryabhatta on 1975. Chandrayaan mission was launched on 22 October 2008. Chandrayaan word divided in Hindi. Chandra means moon, Yan means ship called as mooncraft. Chandrayaan mission sent to the moon to search surface and subsurface water ice, literally called as spacecraft. Chandrayaan 3 was successfully landed on moon 7:23 seconds on 23 August 2023. Chandrayaan 3, Chandrayaan 2 are same only. Thank you for giving wonderful opportunity, and special thanks for Akash Educational Institutions and Sri Balaji Nayak sir.